May pa-heroes welcome kamakailan sa bayan ng Samboan sa Cebu. Sa araw kasing yon, nakatakdang umuwi ang isa nilang kababayan na sa nakalipas na 14 na buwan, bumiyahe mula France pauwi ng Cebu gamit ang bisikleta. Siya ang Filipino-French cyclist na si Adam.
Greet na siya sa mga kababayan.
Pero sa lahat ng abangers kay Adam, ang babaeng ito ang pinaka-excited. Siya lang naman daw kasi ang nagsisilbing inspirasyon ni Adam para tapusin ang kanyang long way home. Walang iba kundi ang kanyang Pilipinang nobya, si Sofia.
Adam is here!
Kamusta kaya ang kanilang pagkikita sa finish line?
We miss you!
Ang born in Leyte and raised in Cebu na si Sofia, aminadong takot ng mahigugma o umibig ulit matapos hindi nag-work out ang dati niyang LDR o long-distance relationship.
Murag nahimo ming toxic, kadugayan, nasakal ko. Ana jud ko niya like, murag, dili jud ako kaya ang LDR.
Hanggang sa naghiwalay sila. Pero sa dinaluhang party ni Sofia, nito lang nakaraang taon, muli raw pinana ni Cupido ang kanyang puso nang may ipinakilala sa kanyang afam, si Adam. French national ang kanyang ama, Cebuana ang kanyang ina.
We just talked throughout the whole night and we exchanged social medias.
I texted her. We started texting and texting.
Mabilis daw nahulog ang loob nila sa isa't isa. Gaya kasi ni Sofia, si Adam mahilig din sa adventure.
Iya kong dadon sa laing-laing lugar. Gi-open po akong eyes to different situations. Akong nahibawan na like, oh, I really like this guy.
Being in Manila while it's raining.
Ngunit pinakahilig daw talaga nito, magbisikleta.
I find myself always wanting to find that feeling where I just felt like I was floating in the air. And it made me want to go even further. It got bigger and became France to Philippines.
Matapos ang 2 buwan na getting to know each other, naging sila.
The thought is sweet kasi he asked me to be his girlfriend on the same day na nagkilala kami.
She's the love of my life. We spent all of our time and enjoying the simple world that we were making.
Pero kakasimula pa lang ng kanilang road to forever, aba, nagkalubak na. Si Adam kasi nakatakdang umuwi ng France para gawin ang kanyang pinaka-inaasam-asam. Ang magbisikleta ng humigit kumulang 28,000 kilometers mula sa France pauwi ng Samboan sa Cebu sa loob ng mahigit 1 taon. Parang imposible, pero si Adam desidido at pursigido.
I had only a few chances in my life to do that. I found myself quite excited to tell Sofia about that plan, but I was also nervous of how she would receive it.
Nako, lagot! Allergic pa naman na si Sofia sa LDR.
Ana jud ko niya like, murag, dili jud ako kaya ang LDR. Mawala ra siya galit or makita siya lain.
Kaya sina Adam at Sofia napilitang mag-part ways muna.
It was pretty hard for us to stay together. It felt very awkward because she was a better part of my 4 months.
Pero si Sofia biglang napa-U-turn. Binalikan niya si Adam at buong pusong ipinakita ang kanyang pagsuporta.
I just really put my trust in him that he can do things on his own.
It's magical how I turned my dream into something bigger when I knew that she was there at the end waiting for me.
Let's go to France. Let's go.
Hunyo nitong nakaraang taon, lumipad na si Adam pa France para simulan ang kanyang biking crusade.
This is week 1 of biking from France to the Philippines.
Mula France, nagpadyak si Adam patungong Central Asia. Pero dahil sarado ang border mula Georgia pa Kazakhstan, nag-eroplano siya. Bit-bit ang kanyang bisikleta.
My overall budget for the trip was 400,000. I really struggled to not spend a lot, so I made sure that I never stayed in hotels. I only camped.
Nariyang natulog siya sa sementeryo.
I'll be very safe and comfy here.
Inatake pa ng mga naglalakihang aso
Destroyed my mattress. At least my bags are okay.
at dumaan sa disyerto.
There's a bunch of snake holes.
Ang bawat araw na nagdaan, ivlinag niya para ipanood kay Sofia.
Kanang muhunong jud siya for me to talk to me. He will always find time naman.
Pero pagdating ni Adam sa Iran, siya'y inaresto.
We're getting escorted by the Talibans.
Nahulihan kasi sila ng drone na bawal doon.
They removed all of my gadgets. I had no contact to my family or Sophia. They agreed to let us go because they realized we were just kids.
Hodofis, Iran.
Ang mga aberya nalagpasan daw ni Adam dahil na rin sa suporta ni Sofia.
I felt a lot of her love. Even the calls where we were just silent or just me biking while she was studying, it means so much to me.
Pero habang papalapit ng papalapit si Adam sa kanyang destinasyon, pahirap naman daw ng pahirap para kay Sofia ang kanilang sitwasyon.
Kanang usahay kay murag feel nako dili kaayo siya present kay na ako'y i-bring up na mga problems na mo pero maglisod pod siya og find the right time kay lagi he's always on the bike.
Sa loob ng ilang linggong pagpadyak, narating ni Adam ang India at Middle East,
Finally in Dubai.
kung saan nag-selfie pa siya sa tallest building in the world, ang Burj Khalifa sa Dubai.
It feels like a whole new world.
Mula Middle East, diretso padyak si Adam
This is the last fishing village of Hong Kong.
hanggang tagumpay siyang nakatawid sa Southeast Asia. Nag-video siya sa harap ng Petronas Tower sa Malaysia at nagbisikleta sa mga burol ng Hagyang, Vietnam.
That's a crazy downhill. This would have killed me.
At ang kanyang last stop bago tumawid ng Pilipinas, Bandar Seri Begawan, ang kapitolyo ng Brunei.
I always reminded her that there'll be a time when I come home. That time is getting closer.
Wala jud ko niya gibiyaan sa air.
Matapos ang 39 na linggo sa kalsada, nakarating na si Adam sa Maynila.
Finally cycling in the Philippines. I'm so excited. Of course, the first stop is the Neta Park.
What I felt there was thrill because he's finally coming back home.
Pero konting tiis na lang, Sofia. Bago kasi umuwi si Adam sa Sambuan, kailangan niya munang tapusin ang kanyang Philippine leg.
Mo tanaw mi sa map, sing ana, and what I was looking forward to this whole year.
At ang kanyang huling destinasyon, Sambuan.
Greet na siya sa mga kababayan.
At nito ngang August 15, nakabalik na siya ng Cebu. Sakto sa kanyang birthday.
When I arrived in the Philippines and they gave me all the flaglets and the medal and everyone was there, I was so out of the world. I did not truly know what I was feeling, but all I really wanted was just to find Sophia because she was hidden somewhere far from everyone.
Pero teka, nasan na si Sofia?
I tried my best to get through the crowd. It was hard because everyone wanted photos.
Hanggang narating na ni Adam ang kanyang final destination.
Woo! Adam is here.
Si Sofia. Na sinalubong siya ng mahigpit na yakap. At matatamis na halik. Wala na. Finish na.
To be like the moment I saw her again, it just felt like a burst of joy, a new chapter in our relationship, and I'm truly grateful for her love.
At ngayong back in each other's arms sila para mabawi ang mga oras na nawala. Sina Adam at Sofia bumiyahe pa Camotes Island,
We were able to do it in 4 days.
I felt empowered the whole time I was with Adam, even though I had my rough times during bicycle because that was my first time, but he kept pushing me forward. And that's how I succeeded.
You're doing well, babe.
So proud boyfriend.
E ano naman kaya ang kanilang next big adventure?
I mean, I'd do this trip again and again and forever just for you, my love.
Layo na sad ta.
No, I'll bring you. I'll bring you.
28,000 kilometro ang pinadyak ni Adam pauwi. Pero ang tunay niyang finish line, hindi pala isang lugar sa mapa. Dahil kahit saan pa siya dalhin ng kanyang bisikleta, ang huling destinasyon, puso niya ang nagdikta. Thank you for watching, mga kapuso. Kung nagustuhan niyo po ang videong ito, subscribe na sa GMA Public Affairs YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the bell button for our latest updates.